Hi, I'm Sandy Pearman.
And I'm Anna Pecker from Property Brokers, Palmerston North.
Let us introduce you to 70 Denbigh Place in Awapuni. This is a stunning 2024 build, brand new. And the benefit of this beautiful home is that it has 2 master bedrooms with en-suites, 1 downstairs, 1 upstairs, so you can choose wherever you want to be. Stone bench tops, it's just gorgeous.
Yeah, we've got some beautiful underfloor heating here, which is all in sections, so you can pick and choose which part of the house you'd like to have nice and toasty under your feet. Features on the outside, we've got a beautiful lock up and leave, very, very easy care section here. We've got room for a very large caravan. We've got a beautiful sunny deck out on the side, and it's just very peaceful, and it's a really tranquil, cute little townhouse.